Everyone, good evening.
Hello everyone, good evening. Please share the link with all your friends.
Kindly share this link with your batchmates, seniors, juniors, because this issue is not related to one batch or two batch. It is related to all the foreign medical graduates. So please kindly share this link to all the foreign medical graduates, like your seniors, juniors, your batchmates. Like in another 2 3 minutes, we'll just start our today's meeting. Let everyone join. Hello, good evening. What's this happening to attempts? Don't worry, nothing gonna happen. Actually, like there are the day before yesterday, NMC NMC have just given one draft. So kiosk is there among the students, and we are getting many calls and messages. That's why and the students requested to come online and just clear the things. So that's why we've decided to come online and discuss the thing. That you people are not alone. Don't worry for this, and let the people join. Please kindly keep sharing so that most of the student can be online because it is related to everyone. So let them be online, and then we'll start today's meeting. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone, your questions are also welcome. If you have any questions, you can just type your question here, okay? And we will answer all your queries, okay? Please share this Facebook live link in your Facebook, Twitter, or you can also share it to your WhatsApp group, to your Telegram groups, okay? And also put this as your WhatsApp status or Instagram status so that very soon we'll start it and we will try to answer each and everyone whatever your doubt, whatever your question regarding the NMC draft, whatever your question regarding how we are proceeding and how we are proceeding for Philippine student or for China Russia student. So I think we are starting the meeting in another 2 minutes. Please add all your friends. Please add all your known who are affected by this NMC Act or who are studying MBBS in abroad.
Are we not audible properly?
Okay, we are checking the audio. Don't worry. We are checking the audio. Yeah, yeah, I know all of you are tired of studying. You must be preparing for the 18th June exam. Now it's audible to everyone. Okay, very good. Okay, no issue. So we'll start very soon. So, guys, first of all, good evening, all of you. And as you know that maybe after a long time we are seeing each other, and we really missed you. And as you know, it is second wave, very powerful wave. I wish that all of you will take care of yourself, will take care of your family members, okay? And be safe, be healthy, okay? And study well. Yeah, today there are two things. First of all, we will just for overview everything regarding the NMC draft and everything. And then later on, we will take your questions, whatever will be your queries, whatever will be your issues. We will come into that, and we will try to reply and answer each and every one of you. Okay. Yeah, so no issue, no issue. We will gonna take everything. Just don't worry. We will gonna take everything because I know there are lots of queues. There is lots of worry. There is lots of confusion among thousands of students. That's why me and Neeraj Bhai have decided to come online today. And I just want to tell you that we are not alone. There is a group of more than 500 plus educational consultants from India. They are with us. We are getting more power because now it is not only your two brothers who are thinking for you. There are more than 500 plus educational consultants of India who are now with us. And as a team, we are working how to solve this issue. And I just want to invite all the educational consultants. You can be a part of this association because we all have one common agenda, that is we all are working for the welfare of foreign medical graduates. Okay, the main agenda of us from the very first day, whether it is IFMS or whether it is our new association, that the common rights of foreign medical graduates has to protect. Second thing, that wherever any FMG is in trouble, we have to stand and we have to become their voice. Okay. And the third important thing, that you guys are not alone, my brothers and sisters. Neither your parents are alone, because I know many of you are just reading the headlines of paper and everything is making chaos. So don't need to worry for anything. We guys are here, and our whole team of more than 500 plus education consultants are with us.
We are working
We
together.
all are working together for the protection of foreign medical graduates and for the welfare of you guys. So don't worry for anything. We are there for you and we will always there for you. Neeraj sir will start and then I will continue.
I guess most of you people have joined, and if you have not shared yet, please kindly share this. As 2 days before, the NMC have just posted one draft on website, and it was circulated like a fire. And there was a few controversial points were there, especially like about the two-year attempt. It was considered as two attempts only, and separate pre and para clinical examination for the foreign medical graduates. It was also mentioned over there, and a few other like points regarding that 48 months study should be there, or like the internship should be there. You cannot change the college, and various other points are there. So like and after that, like we've start receiving many calls and messages from the foreign medical graduates and IFMS warriors, and they all, even the parents were calling us, and they all are very worried that sir, what this is going on, and when like the people are reacted like it got implemented. So first of all, you want to clear it. It's just a draft, it is not implemented, but yes, we have to take the action right now to stop it, because if we'll not take the action, that's why we got activate, and our other than IFMS and IFMS family, the association of the foreign medical that consultants, they are like we have formed the association together. More than 500 consultants they are joined, and we like there are both the forces, the student forces as well as the consultant and the association forces, both are working together for the benefits of FMG. So we won't let any kind of injustice happen to any one of you. So just don't worry about it. And regarding all such points, I'm receiving many messages from different colleges students. They are just sending some formats. Sir, we are having this problem. So don't worry. You have yeah, in Hindi also. Like let me speak in English, and we'll just talk in Hindi as well. Don't worry for the students those who are from north, or the parents those who are from north. We'll just speak in Hindi as well. and just kindly share the points which you are having in that the problem which you are facing in that. Mostly we know that, and we have decided to do the things, and how we will do the things in the end we'll just tell you what we need to guys, what you guys need to do. And just don't worry, it's just a draft, but we need to stop this in the draft stage only, because once this draft is accepted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, then it will become an act, and it will be added into NMC Act, and then it will be not impossible for us. Impossible is nothing. Then we need to challenge it in court. So that's a second stage. We are here to. We have planned first, second, third, and all the stages, but we want to stop it in the first stage itself. So that's why we got activated, and that's why we message all the students, those who are getting worried, those who are calling us. Don't worry at all regarding any of the points. You will not have to suffer. You, even the students who have joined just yet or who will gonna join next year, you need not to suffer anything. And what we are going to demand from the ministry, or from the NMC and NBE, because the like you must all have this idea that in 2016, on the 11th April, the Supreme Court held the decision for that NEET UG for all the colleges of India, and the same on 1st March of 2018, they've decided to put the qualifying criteria to go abroad. There was a court case. We filed the court case, and it got delayed for 1 year. But from 2019 and 2020 session, it was just you have to qualify the examination, because it was mandatory. So the and in 2019, only on 8th of August, that the NMC Act was came into action. And after that, because at that time, when the NMC Act came into action, at that time the criteria of intake of foreign medical graduate as well as Indian medical graduate is same. You have to qualify NEET. Okay, so that was the basic thing. And if we'll go and just read the NMC Act, it was mentioned over there clearly that the common examination will be taken for Indian medical graduates to get the license. And the same is mentioned that for the foreign medical graduate also, they have to appear for the that next, and they have to qualify the next to get the license in India. So they have mentioned the same thing in both for IMGs and FMGs, and the intake is also the same. The criterias are also the same. So we gonna take only one thing, as it is mentioned in our video, that we gonna ask this one nation, one examination, or one nation, one next for IMGs and FMGs. That is the basic thing. We are not okay if they are giving 10 attempts to for Indian medical graduate, you can give 10 number of attempts to Indian medical graduate, foreign medical graduate as well. We are here to ask for the equality. Okay, so whatever the examination they are giving for IMGs, we want the same for FMGs as well. So that is our basic criteria, and for that we need a lot of students, all such students who are studying right now, because you need to fight for yourself. If you are studying in any college, if you are in first year, second year, third year, and if you are thinking it will not affect me, why I will bother it, I need to give the examination after 4 years, why I should bother right now? So please don't do this thing, because you have to stand for yourself. That's why we are right now, we have started this thing in very early stage only, because we don't want this thing to get implemented. So please, all like I guess around 500 people are here right now. So like I guess all 500 people, you people are at least associated with 100 medical graduates, and these 100 medical graduates are associated with other 100 medical graduates. So we can reach to 5,000, 50,000 to 1 lakh medical graduates. That is the thing, and we need to do the things. We need to pressurize the government to get this thing back. Just we need to think that the MFPP 30 is a separate issue. Okay, that is a separate issue. That is a policy change kind of a thing. Okay, but here it is policy is yet to make. So just these are the two different issues. So please just focus on this, and we need to achieve this thing, and we will not get it implemented anyhow.
मैं सबसे पहले आई जस्ट वांट टू टॉक टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स। मैं सभी माता पिता से बात करना चाहता हूँ। पहले मैं जो भी हिंदी भाषी प्रदेश हैं, जैसे कि राजस्थान, हरियाणा, पंजाब, हिमाचल, मध्य प्रदेश, यूपी, बिहार, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़, बिहार, ये सब जगह। तो मैं आप सब माता पिताओं से ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपने बड़ी मुश्किल से अपने बच्चों को एक सपना संजो के अपनी पूरी जिंदगी भर की कमाई को दांव पे लगा के पसीने की कमाई से अपने बच्चे को विदेश पढ़ने भेजा, क्योंकि आप चाहते हैं या आप चाहते थे कि मेरा बच्चा एक अच्छा डॉक्टर बने। आज अगर कुछ पेपरों ने इस तरीके के बयान जारी किए हैं कि अब विदेश वालों के लिए सिर्फ 2 ही अटेम्प्ट होंगे या उनको सिर्फ 2 साल का वक्त दिया जाएगा, तो मैं आप सब माता पिताओं से ये आग्रह करता हूं कि ऐसे वक्तव्यों को देख के, ऐसे पेपर्स की रीडिंग को देख के आप बिल्कुल भी परेशान ना हो। ये मात्र सिर्फ एक ड्राफ्ट है, अभी किसी प्रकार का कोई नियम नहीं बना है। All the parents from South India, from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, I just want to tell you that by your hard-earned money, if you have decided to send your son or daughter to abroad, and with lot of efforts, you have finally sent them, and maybe by this 2 days news might be you are afraid that have we have taken any wrong decision. Don't worry, dear parents, you have not taken any wrong decision. This is just a draft, it is not a rule. Okay, पहली बात तो आप सब ये क्लियर करो, ये कोई रूल नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक ड्राफ्ट है। और इस ड्राफ्ट पे नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन खुद कह रही है कि आप हमको कमेंट दो। ओके, हम उनको एक दो कमेंट नहीं देंगे, वी विल गिव देम मोर देन 50,000 और 1 लाख कमेंट। व्हाट कंटेंट एंड व्हाट आवर स्ट्रेटेजीज, हमें क्या उनको कंटेंट देना है, दैट वी विल लेट यू नो बाय टुमारो आफ्टरनून 12
in all our Facebook group, Telegram
we
group,
will
and
we will let you know that what we need to mail them. See, the most important thing what we have achieved in last 1 year, पिछले 1 साल में हमने जो भी अचीव किया है, चाहे वो प्रोविजनल का मुद्दा हो, चाहे वो इंटर्नशिप का मुद्दा हो, चाहे जो भी हो, वो हमने अचीव किया है बिकॉज वी आर टुगेदर। हम साथ में हैं। अगर हम साथ में हैं तो हमें कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता। इफ वी आर यूनाइटेड वी विल नेवर फॉल। इफ वी आर यूनाइटेड वी आर टुगेदर वी आर मोर पावरफुल। And the very good thing right now about this is that all the educational consultants of India are together. All the big consultants of India, whether it is from Philippines, China, Russia, Ukraine, सब हमारे साथ खड़े हुए हैं। All, yeah, every consultant, whether they are from North India, South India, East India, West India, सब कन्याकुमारी से तमिलनाडु तक, कश्मीर से लेके गुजरात तक, कच्छ तक, कलकत्ता से लेके गुवाहाटी तक, all the educational consultants are with you guys. अगर आपका एडमिशन किसी एजुकेशन कंसल्टेंट ने किया है तो दे आर मोर वरीड अबाउट योर फ्यूचर। मैं ये सारी बात अब सब पेरेंट्स को बोलना चाहता हूं, आप अकेले अपने बच्चों के लिए परेशान नहीं है। वी ऑल आर इक्वली वरीड and we all are here in Delhi. We all are together and we are there to fight for your son and daughter. So please, सारे माँ बाप, प्लीज आप किसी भी तरीके से परेशान मत हो। All the students, whether you are studying in first year or you are studying in 6th year or whether you have already graduated, just remember one thing, it is just a draft. We will not let this 2 year blunder will happen. We will not let any separate exam to be happen, and we will not let any injustice happen. Our main agenda, our main goal is very common. There is one India, there is one nation, there is one exam, and there is one rule. All the rules and regulations should be followed same. If you, yeah, because the criteria of getting admission is same. You need to qualify the NEET exam and then you go abroad and you take admission in India. So it is same. When you are graduating, you have to do one NEXT exam and there should be no attempt, because there are more than 30-40,000 foreign medical graduates who are writing FMG exam from last 5, 5, 6, 6, 10 years. So there is no point of this 2 year or 2 attempt thing. First of all, maximum of the student, 99% of the doctors are worried and all the parents are worried about this 2 year thing. So I will assure all of you, this is my words to you, and I will assure all of you, We will not let this thing happen. Our honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and our honorable Health Minister, they will not let this happen to any foreign medical graduate, because it is violation of one very important Supreme Court Act. This is a violation of equality. When there is a common NEXT exam, you can't gather two different rules for Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates. And we are here for the protection of doctors. We are here for the protection of rights of foreign medical graduates. Okay, so
We have
yeah,
IFMS Welfare MCI Gurukul family, and more than 500 consultants are also there. The consultant association is there, who gonna take the responsibility with us, and just don't worry at all regarding any kind of issue. Okay, just don't worry and don't panic also, because many of the people, like, they're calling the consultant as well, because they are worried. They're just reading the newspaper and all the things. Please don't get worried here. It is just a draft. We won't let it happen. Don't worry for this.
मैं फिर से सबको एक बात बहुत क्लियरली बताता हूँ. सी देखिए, इफ देयर इज एनी रूल, अगर कोई भी रूल बनता है, रूल बनने के बाद उसको चेंज करने के लिए काफी एक देयर इज अ वेरी बिग प्रोसेस, बट इट इज नॉट अ रूल येट, इट इज जस्ट अ ड्राफ्ट. ओके, सो वी आर गोना चैलेंज दिस ड्राफ्ट इन अ वेरी वंडरफुल वे. ओके, no, it is my suggestion to all of you, don't mail anything now to NMC or to PMO or to ministry. Just wait till tomorrow morning 12 o'clock. We will give you a proper draft. We will give you a proper draft, that what you exactly have to mail them, because that is more important. Okay, because whenever National Medical Commission or Ministry of Health or PMO will reading our messages or our mail, they should feel that there are a group of more than 10 lakh 20 lakh people who are opposing this draft. We are not alone. Might be we are alone with religion, with our originality, but at the end we all are same. By our profession, by our fraternity, we all are doctors. Okay, so we are here to help all of you. There are few people who think that there is always a chaos. They always want to ruin the help of other students. They always come here and they try to just message some unnecessary concept and content. We are not having time to answer those people. If you don't feel this is an important conversation, why you are investing your positive energy here? You know that we people are that much important, that you are investing your energy here and you are commenting here. Okay, so now I'm not going into it. I just want to make it very clear to everyone, हमको यूनाइट होना पड़ेगा.
Twitter also.
Everyone, yeah beta, we will go for Twitter, we will go to hashtag, we will go for email, we will go, and we will also design some common picture, we will also design some common logo, we will design everything, and we have to make this thing a big agenda. One India, one exam, and one common rule for all. There should be no differentiation among Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduate. We will not let any discrimination happen to any foreign medical graduate. So just remember this thing, all parents, all students. I know right now you are very worried. You are calling to your consultant who sent you, and just believe me, I just want to tell you, your consultant is more worried than you, because for you might be your one person, but for that consultant there are thousands and thousands of students whose lives are stuck, and they are responsible. And you have to believe it on my words that more than 500 plus educational consultants are with us from last 3 days after this came, and we all are in conversation. We already had 2 meetings. We are going to represent all of you in 2 ways. One way is IFMS, MCI Gurukul Trust, Indian Foreign Medical Student, MCI Gurukul Trust. We will represent the student side, and there is one more association, and that association is Indian Educational Consultant Association, and more than 500 education consultants are already coming to join with us. And now, for all the consultants, if you are not aware, please, you can join to us. You just save down our number. Our number is 8750473973. And Neeraj bhai, your number.
8878762761.
Yeah. So now we are two different people. One is the student side and second is the educational consultant side. So now we all are together. Your educational consultant is supporting you all the way, and they all have already in our with our contacts, and they all are supporting. So we all are together as a team, and we are going to help you guys to just get rid of this all 2 year attempt or
Many students are
many.
there in
Yeah.
the discussion about that provisional as well, that they
So
cannot go
now,
back to China and do the internship. Don't worry. There are many, like I just mentioned, two, three, 4 points. There are various points like the you need to do the full course from the same university. It is also like already in 2013, Delhi High Court just cancelled that rule, and it was then MCI put this case in Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also upheld the High Court decision on 30th of January 2018 that the student can change the college. So it is irrelevant over here. So don't worry for this. A part of this, there are point of doing the same, doing entire internship from that country. You should have 10-year license from that country.
no,
So
no, no.
these all are the blunder things. So don't worry for it. Don't
Just,
worry for it.
just guys, remember one thing. From last 18 years, like from 2002 onwards till 2020, there is a Medical Council of India. Okay. And more than 50,000 plus FMG doctors already came back to India, and they already cleared the exam, and they all are registered now. Okay. So we just have very common sense and common things that whatever rules and regulation, whatever syllabus, whatever criteria is following from last 18 years, just need to keep the same. First thing. Second thing, about the exam limitation of 2 years,
Or
keeping different
we should
examination.
follow the similarity with the Indian medical
So
graduates. That's it.
that 2 points are very clear. We just tell them to follow the same criteria as they are following for Indian medical graduates. If you are putting this 2 year clause for them, we are okay with that. We have no problem. The very common sense thing and common thing, which is our main agenda, that there is only one exam, one rule, one nation. Okay, there should be no discrimination, there should be no two different rules for one single exam. So aap sab please pareshan mat ho. I know many FMG doctors from Philippines, Ukraine, Russia, China, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, आप सब बहुत परेशान हो, and many of you are already writing the coming 18th June exam. Don't distract yourself right now. Focus for your exam.
Few things are mentioning over there that NEET UG is mandatory. I just want to clear it. NEET UG was made mandatory on 1st of March, and it was mentioned that 1st of March 2018, it was mentioned that any students who want to go to abroad after 5th May 2018, he or she needs to qualify NEET UG. Okay, and then we've put like this way, and few students have put the case in Delhi High Court, and in Delhi High Court on 27th September 2018, Delhi High Court have said that give one-time exemption for all. So one-time exemption was given to that batch, means if you join after 2019, if you join the 2019 and 20 batch, and if you fly after August or August 2019, then you need to qualify NEET. Okay, before that you need not to qualify NEET. So just be clear on this. If you have joined before May June 2019, then you need to qualify you need not to qualify NEET. After that, you need to qualify NEET. So that is the basic thing.
One important thing I just want to tell all of you guys, as maximum of the educational consultants are already in our contact, but still if someone is not, I just want to tell you students, because you might have went to abroad through some consultants. So it is my suggestion to you, please you contact your consultant, and you please tell your consultant to contact either me or Neeraj sir. Just tell this thing to your educational consultant who bought you to Philippines or China or Russia, that please sir contact Dr. Arman and Neeraj sir, because these people with so many of consultant friends are making one association for representing the consultant part, and already Indian Foreign Medical Student Welfare MCI Gurukul Trust is a representation of more than 1 lakh foreign medical doctors. So just we need to combine and come to a single platform, and then we will talk with National Medical Commission, and we will gonna talk to Health Ministry, and if needed, even we will gonna meet Dr. Harshvardhan and to all the big political leaders of India, JP Nadda ji or Amit Shah ji. If needed, we even go to Prime Minister office. Okay, so don't worry for anything.
Somebody mentioned that the new rule will not be applicable on all old students. I just want to make it clear. Our main funda and the main thing is to stop this, because you cannot be so sure about it. If it will implement, then it will implement with that time only. Like last year when we were fighting for the internship, they've just given a letter, and they have not put any that last date or like this deadline. They just mentioned that from now onwards, the China or Nepal or Bangladesh internship is not valid in India. So they did like this. So you cannot accept them to give deadline or like this if they'll implement it. So that's why we want to stop it right now. Okay, that is the thing. In 2002 also, when the screening regulation was enacted, at that time also they've not put any deadline. They said from the day they put that act, if you have registered with the medical council before that, then you're okay. If you're not registered, then you have to follow that. You have to go for the screening test.
Yeah,
So that is the thing.
there is many questions coming for December examination. I just want to make it clear to you people. That might be you're aware that we have sent one representation to Government of India that till the NEXT exam will not execute, please take 3 FMG exams. Okay, so they have replied to our query that they are gonna implement national exit test shortly. So there is a 50-50% chance, but as far as I am concerned, hopefully we will have a December examination. It will be your last FMG exam, and I think from 2022 March onwards there will be one common NEXT exam. Okay, so
You need not to do it. Like if the country is not providing internship till now, you need not to worry in any of the case. That online internship is not at all valid.
guys,
Okay.
see, I just want to clear all of you with our common agendas. Okay. First of all, that 10-year licensing rule you have to do to your country where you are graduated, it is null and void. Don't worry, it won't be accepted, and we will not let it accept. Second thing, this 2-year rule that you just get 2 year to complete the exam and clear the exam, that is also a blunder thing. We will not let it happen. Okay, so these two things are common which will not gonna accept, and we will not let them accept this thing. We will not let them do this thing anyhow. We will not make this as a rule, so don't worry for these two things, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, people are saying about Philippines students. Philippines students, there's an issue of you should have 48 months of training or like this. Don't worry for it. Whatever right now they are accepting, they have to accept it accordingly, because like few countries they are providing 6 years of education, few countries are providing 4 years of education. So we cannot change the education system of other countries.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just for the Philippine student, I just want to make it very clear, guys. We are gonna talk on a very similar level that whatever system you are following.
Students will keep giving the examination. You need not to worry. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, for Philippine student, I just want to make it very clear for all the Philippine student, because you guys are more worried about that 48 months thing. You don't want to go to Philippines again for 10 years, and also don't worry for anything, guys. We will make NMC accept the common sense thing that this 4 year procedure is not decided by students. It is decided by the CHED. It is decided by the government of Philippines education. Who
after 1.5 year of BS, or
yes,
3 years of graduation from India.
Yes. So the point is very clear. That is a CHED rule. 4 year.
People are not, few countries are not providing internship. That's what I'm telling you. Like there's a one provision that you need to do internship from there. These are not acceptable.
It is not acceptable. If your country is not eligible to give internship, you have to come back to India and you have to do your internship from India only. So don't worry for that. Any other question? Yeah, Kyrgyzstan 5 year, fine, no problem.
Okay.
Internship, I just cleared it up like China, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Philippines. Face-to-face internship. If you have done your face-to-face internship, then you can directly get permanent registration in India. But after the NEXT exam will come, might be there is a slight chance that I will suggest you people not to do internship in your country where you are getting the graduation, but that is a separate topic. we will talk for this. And for people like Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Ukraine, this country are not giving internship certificates, so your system will be same as before. You just have to complete your degree, you will come back to India, you will appear for NEXT1, you have to clear the NEXT1, and
What
then you
about
can do for
2016
internship.
batch? 2016 batch of which country?
Which country?
Which country 2016 batch? Plus 2017 batch
Yeah,
is
yeah,
good.
yeah. See, as I'm telling it very clearly, that we have already talked with the government and we asked them to take 3 FMG exams this year, but they have clearly said it is not possible because we are going to implement NEXT shortly, and this NEXT exam will most probably launching or start by next year March onwards. Okay,
2016 batch, if you are graduating like in
you are
after.
graduating from country who are giving 5 year degree, so might be you can attempt a December one. But if you are graduating from country like Russia or Ukraine or
Next year only.
Georgia who are giving 6 year degree, so yeah, you are coming and appearing for
That's a
any XT
license
exam.
exam. How can they put the restrictions? Yeah, these are the points. Like if we talk about the law, lawfully it is on
Uzbekistan 5 year course 2017 batch. Yes, you are graduate. You
2020,
are getting
22.
graduation after 2022 June, and you have to appear for any
No,
XT
you
exam.
need not to do internship compulsory from China.
See,
It is
this is
good if
this
you
is
are doing it from India
this
only.
is the point we want to talk to NMC, that if they will still accept the internship of China, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Philippines, we will suggest you to complete your internship there only. But if they will not accept it, we will tell you and we will clear it up to you, so that you won't waste your 1 year. Okay, you just take your provision and you can just appear for the NEXT exam, clear your NEXT1, and then you do internship and then you appear for the NEXT2.
Okay, like many messages regarding MFPP 30 as well. So I just want to talk regarding this. We have never give up this issue. Last month on 15th, like our honorable member of parliament have raised this issue in Lok Sabha. And after that, on like 15th of April, we've written the letter to PMO, to chief ministers, to health minister, and because the COVID situation is worse in India, so we've written the letter and we've just asked them to give the exemption on the base of 2019 and 2020. If they reduce the passing marks, it will give additional doctors to India, and they want to work free of cost for the next 1 year. So we've just said this point. But there are few students, like that's why I was not starting. I'm not putting this information on Facebook because few students are there. They're like this, don't do this thing, don't do that thing, we are getting distracted. I've already put yesterday that those people who are getting distracted on the post, please stay away from my post. I'm getting distracted. The paper got tough last year. The paper got tough last year because you've got 9 months to for that examination. But after that, everybody is starting shouting that, oh, that NEXT pattern is implemented. Now the paper will be of this kind only. We are the only institute. We are the only people who told you that December paper will be the basic and the same like before. And then if you got distracted in August, आपका दिसंबर पेपर क्यों नहीं आपका निकाल पाए? अभी भी क्यों आप यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं? अगर आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हुए थे अगस्त में, तो आप लोग काय के लिए दिसंबर का पेपर नहीं निकाल पाए? यहाँ पर क्यों बकवास कर रहे हैं आप लोग? है ना? सो डोंट डू चाइल्डिश थिंग यार, है ना? कि वी गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, प्लीज डोंट डू दिस थिंग, दे विल टेक रिवेंज फ्रॉम अस, और ये सब बच्चों जैसी चीजें छोड़ो. दैट टाइम यू गॉट मोर देन 9 or 10 months. दिसंबर से लेके आपका एग्जाम हुआ था. जब आपको 8 महीना
Actually,
कोई
you know
देता है,
that
if you're getting 8 months for the examination, they will give the paper like this, and at that time the paper, you need to set the paper. It takes 3 months to set one paper according to the NB only. We have started this thing in July and the paper was in August only. Okay, I guess first week of August we start that MFPP 30 issue. So I don't think they can change the paper in 30 days. So just stop talking like a bullshit. If you cannot stand for yourself, just be at home. अपना मुंह बंद करके चुपचाप बैठिए. Don't bother the things. Okay, and I'm not inviting you over here, those who are getting distracted. So please stay away from our post or from our Facebook live. Okay. In Philippines, internship for finance or allowed once the person is accepted by college is separate. So internship is not possible, but clerkship is possible. Technically, in Philippines, the internship is accepted by a few states, and few states are not accepting it because some of the states are telling that it's a part of your education only. you are not getting the provisional degree like the China or Nepal student. So that is why few states are accepting you and few states are not accepting you. Yeah.
Yeah, I think most of you are worried about this 2 year restriction thing.
Don't
So
worry.
I just make it very clear, like in this last 40-minute conversation, more than 5 times, that don't worry, guys. This 2 year thing will not be accepted by us, and we will just give you 100% surety that it won't be happen. We will not let it happen. Okay, and if we will let it happen, it should be same to Indian medical graduates also. Otherwise, it should not be two different rules. Okay, Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates should have same criteria of entrance. They both are qualifying the NEET exam and they are going and taking the admission. So even the NEXT thing will also be the same. Okay. Second very important thing which I just want to mention to all of you, that अभी इस टाइम पे हमको साथ में आना इसलिए जरूरी है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि सर मैं तो ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन कर चुका हूं, सो माइट बी इट इज नॉट अफेक्टिंग मी. सी, whenever NMC or MCI making any rule, they are not telling कि भैया इस साल से ऐसा होगा. No, everyone who are graduating after that will be affecting by that particular rule. You are getting my point. For example, if in 2017 few people have taken admission in India and now they are graduating in 2022, so they have to appear for the NEXT exam. It doesn't mean that they are feeling that अरे यार अब तो हम नहीं दे रहे ना, ये तो नए बच्चों के लिए होगा. No, the rules and regulation whichever made by NMC will not followed for the new student. They will followed for the with effect with the existing student only. So please make it very clear with that date only. So all of you, हाँ, तो यहाँ बहुत सारे, so many of you might be unaware, many of you think यार हम support करके क्या करेंगे, हमारा तो ऑलरेडी एडमिशन हो गया है, हमने तो ऑलरेडी डिग्री ले ली है, हम तो ऑलरेडी 6th ईयर में हैं. नो गाइज, डोंट बी सेल्फिश. इफ एनी रूल इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड, इट विल इम्प्लीमेंट विद डेट. उस डेट के बाद जो भी बंदा NEXT एग्जाम अपेयर करेगा उसको वो अफेक्ट करेगा. So please guys, don't be selfish, be united.
Provisional certificate. Yeah, last year only, like NB stopped taking provisional certificate and they said that we will not allow the students to give examination on provisional certificate. For that, we've met the NMC people and we've just given the letter and finally they've accepted it, and now onwards it's a permanent thing. If you are having doubt, just message me. I'll just forward you that letter. Provisional students can give examination right now and they will keep giving the examination.
We have
future as well.
we have an official letter by MCI BOG. Okay, so anyone need that letter, please WhatsApp on 8878762767.
Yes, sir. Ukraine and Russian 6-year course, they are not involving that. It is not including the internship. So
yeah.
you need to repeat.
I just want to clear it to everyone. There are around 12-13 countries where maximum students are going. I am just dividing them in a group of 5 years and 6 years. Okay, so 5-year education is provided in China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Okay, these 6 countries are mainly providing 5-year education. Philippines is teaching around 1 to 2 year of BS, and then there is an NMET exam, and then there is a, yeah, it's allowed, and then there is a 4-year MD. Okay, other than this, Georgia, Armenia, Ukraine, Russia, all these countries, they are providing degree in 6 years. Okay, so countries who are providing the internship certificate or whose internship are valid by government of India as far as after our fight and our efforts is China, Nepal, Bangladesh. Before it is only 3 countries, but after IFMS Gurukul fought, we have indulged 2 more countries in this phenomena, and that is Philippines and Georgia. So this 5 countries internship is currently valid in India. Now there is a matter of the fact that we need to talk to NMC that are you going to accept this 5-year 5-country internship still? If they will say yes, we will go ahead, and if they will say no, we will suggest you people don't do your internship from your country and you can just come back to India and do your internship from India only. And other than this 5 countries, if you are studying MBBS in any other countries, You just have to come back to India and you have to clear the NEXT 1, and then you can do internship in India, and then you will appear for NEXT 2.
You will get the permanent registration after next 2 only, because according to the rule, after clearing next month, if you have done that internship, then you'll get the permanent. If you'll not done the internship, then you need to do 1 year internship, then you'll get the permanent. Few students have mentioned over here about the transfer. Don't worry, if you have already taken the transfer, don't worry. If you're agar, if in future if you want to take, just
Don't take right now.
just get our advices before. If you want to take in future, just you can message us and take the advices.
So guys, we are just concluding this thing.
2 attempt वाला problem sort out हो गया, टेंशन मत करो.
अरे बिल्कुल, don't worry about 2 attempt thing.
ये नहीं लागू. सर्टिफिकेट वाले शुद्ध हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ, पेपर आज भी दे सकते हैं, कल भी दे सकते हैं, परसों भी दे सकते हैं. प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट वालों को कोई नहीं रोक सकता. मेरे पास
हमारे पास है. You can already we have a letter, official letter and permission by BOG MCI. वो जो
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Somebody have took transfer, no problem. Now, but in future don't try to take.
If you are taking transfer in future, at least contact us once, okay? So we'll let you know. So now we are concluding our conversation. Our conversation is very important today. So tomorrow around 12 o'clock, we are going to send you one draft, and that draft need to be posted and emailed to all the official email IDs of NMC, Health Ministry and PMO. We will suggest you the hashtag. We will suggest you what you need to put to your WhatsApp image. Might be it's needed that we will have to make short videos of 1 to 2 minutes. You can make videos with your family. You can make videos with your friends, and we will viral each and everything, so that our voice has to reach to the Prime Minister of India and to the Health Minister of India, that we are one common people. We are having one common Aadhaar card. We are having one common passport.
So we want one common next.
Yeah, we want one common next. The policy should be similar to everyone. There is one common next exam, okay?
And one nation, one next. That is the main agenda.
So ये 10 साल वाला इशू कोई खत्म है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
कुल मिला के जो इंडियंस के लिए रूल हैं, जो इंडियंस बच्चे इंडिया में पढ़ते हैं, वो इंडियंस बच्चे अब्रॉड में पढ़ते हैं, उनके लिए भी रूल रहेगा. एंड यहाँ पर कुछ लोग कुछ पूछे प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट का NEXT 1 के लिए अलाउड रहेगा. डोंट वरी,
Dhaval, it's already clear. Provisional is allowed.
अच्छा, don't worry. Many students are asking, those who are in India and from Philippines, they are doing the online clerkship. भैया ऑनलाइन क्लर्कशिप और इंटर्नशिप आपकी वैलिड नहीं है.
Yeah. Already we had a talk with Dr. Vats.
Online classes are valid,
yeah,
due to COVID, but the online internship and online clerkship is not at all valid. But yeah, Philippines student, because online clerkship is a part of your education, you can get the degree. Yeah. But after that, you have to redo your internship from India. Yeah.
अजहर भाई, अगर इस बकचोदी से जून वाला पेपर हार्ड आया तो आप लोग जिम्मेदार रहोगे. मैं आपको यही बताना चाह रहा हूँ.
अजहर भाई, मैंने आपको बताया था दिसंबर का पेपर बहुत इजी था यार. क्या कर रहे थे, फेल क्यों हो गए? यहाँ पर बैठे हुए, निकलो पढ़ाई करो. चलो, किसने बुलाया तुम्हें? निकलो, चलो.
कोई बात नहीं. पढ़ाई करना नहीं है. Guys, see, I just feel sorry for all those people who think that raising the voice will make things difficult. You know, we are the same people who made Dr. Lal. We are the same people who made Dr. Harshvardhan and told them that December paper should become easy. And they have promised us it will be same only. Okay. So
December के पेपर तो easy आया था. पुराने बच्चे भी निकल गए. आप कैसे फेल हो गए?
Don't waste your time on these people, and no need to delete their comment also. No issue. So guys, I just want to tell you that अगर आवाज उठाने से आपका पेपर इजी होने वाला है या डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है, तो मैं तुम्हें बहुत क्लियर बताता हूं. Your question paper is already set 3 months before. For example, if you have exam on 18 June, means your exam is already
अगर भाई, अगर आवाज उठाने से चीजें डिफिकल्ट होती तो अभी आप किसी अंग्रेज के घर पे पट्टी साफ कर रहे होते. आजाद नहीं होता इंडिया, है ना? तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए.
तो अजहर भाई, नीरज भाई ने ये बोला अंग्रेजी में that if you think that raising your voice is ban, सो अगर भगत सिंह ने, महात्मा गांधी ने, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने, इन लोगों ने अगर आजादी की, इंडिपेंडेंस की आवाज नहीं उठाई होती, सो माइट बी यू वर सर्वेंट इन सम फॉरेनर पर्सन एंड आप शायद उनके बाथरूम साफ कर रहे होते. ओके. सो द पॉइंट इज वेरी क्लियर. वी आर हेयर to raise your voice and we are not afraid because we are not.
Online classes are valid.
Yeah, online classes are valid. बेटा, हम लोग कोई भी आवाज उठाना बहुत जरूरी है यार। मुझे एक चीज बताओ, अगर कभी भी कुछ गलत होता है, अगर आप आवाज नहीं उठाते हो, तो आप जो हो वो बहुत कमजोर इंसान हो। आप अगर अपने लिए नहीं लड़ सकते, इफ यू कांट फाइट फॉर योर सेल्फ, हाउ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग एटलीस्ट वी आर फाइटिंग फॉर यू पीपल, बिकॉज 99.9 people are with us. Out of this 100, only 1-2% people are like Azhar. Remaining 99.9% students are with us. They are supporting us. They are continuously messaging us. प्लीज भाई ऑनलाइन आओ, प्लीज भाई हमसे बात करो, हम आपको मिस कर रहे हैं, हमको पता है आप लोग हमारे लिए हो, एंड यस वी आर विथ यू।
1% लोगों को बोलूंगा अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन जो है फेल होने का वो अपने घर पे निकालिए,
Yeah.
यहाँ मत आइए, मैंने इनवाइट नहीं किया है, क्यों
We
टाइम
never
वेस्ट कर रहे हैं
invited you
आके?
people to come online. If you are very much busy, if you are
ऑनलाइन
distracted,
ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर एक्सेप्टेड,
yes,
ऑनलाइन
yes,
इंटर्नशिप इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड.
yeah. So guys, our
Yeah,
agenda,
Vijay
yeah,
Prakash has mentioned we won't let India become North Korea.
yeah,
That is the thing. Yeah,
that is the thing.
that's the thing we want to do.
We have to raise our voice. We are free. We are living in a democratic world.
Pre and para जो है, that's what I'm telling you. We want the equality, one nation, one exam.
Yeah.
So that is why if they are taking the pre and para for the Indian medical graduates, we are okay with it. We are okay with it.
See what I'm telling. I'm just concluding it in a very short thing. Exam criteria of NEXT should be same like Indian medical graduates. There should be no discrimination, or there will be no differentiation among the criteria of exam. If they are taking pre-clinical or paraclinical exam for IMGs, we are ready to for that. If they are giving 2-year thing for Indian medical graduates, we are ready for it. But if you are not taking any separate exam for Indian medical graduates, we will not accept it.
One nation, one exam.
Yes,
This is the
yes.
hashtag we need.
This is our hashtag. One nation, one exam. One nation, one NEXT.
Pre and para are the subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. These are pre, and like
Pharma, patho,
and micro.
Yeah.
And forensic also.
Yeah.
These are the para clinical subjects, and the rest are the clinical subjects.
ENT, opthel, and all other subjects are the clinical. So, guys, this is my suggestion to all of you. Even Azhar, my brother, I don't know you personally, and I don't know why you're talking like this. You are my younger brother, and I just want to tell you, beta, please don't feel like that. If something is happening bad, please keep your voice. Raise your voice, beta. If raising your voice will make the things difficult, don't think it, beta. अगर मुझे ऐसा फील होता, इफ आई वॉज द पर्सन, अगर मैं सोचता मेरी आवाज उठाने से मेरे बिजनेस को अफेक्ट होगा, सो there are more than 5,000 graduates from India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Philippines who have texted me personally, who have sent so many gifts to me, who come to my office and they have touched my feet and giving sweets. Sir, because of you, our internship is valid in India. Now we don't have to do internship, and there more than 2 lakh rupees which fees they have to pay for internship got saved, and now they all are earning 1 lakh rupees and serving to their family. Okay, तो बेटा आवाज उठाने से कभी पीछे नहीं हटना. अजहर बेटा, तू मेरा छोटा भाई है, तू मेरा भाई है. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग यू रॉन्ग. प्लीज डोंट वरी. अगर तुम आवाज उठाओगे तो तुम्हारी आवाज में अगर सच्चाई है, इफ यू हैव ट्रूथ इन योर वॉइस, nobody can down you. Okay, so all the questions I think are already answered. Yes beta, 2 year का criteria हम रिमूव कराएंगे. FMG जून 2000, अभी जो 18 जून एग्जाम होना है वो एक्सटेंड होने नहीं वाला है, वो पोस्टपोन नहीं होगा. तो प्लीज आप लोग अपनी प्रिपरेशन जारी रखो.
बिकॉज 9th को DNB का एग्जाम है, 9th मई को, एंड 23rd को ही डाला गया है, तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नहीं होगा. अगर वर्स्ट सिचुएशन होती है तो वी नेवर नो, बट उम्मीद रखिए कि नहीं होगा. ठीक है. दूसरा हाँ, like there are few.
Piyush, Piyush is writing, Jay Sharma, internship is required to get the degree from China. I just want to make it very clear. You can get the degree without your internship, and that is called provisional certificate. Okay, you not need to have a particular permanent degree. You can just have a provisional degree, or you just have a provisional certificate stating your university that this is to certify that this student is student of China Medical University. They have studied from this date to this date. This is their passport number, and they have successfully completed their 10th semester. That letter is signed by the university and signed by Indian Embassy, and this letter is enough to appear for the NEXT exam.
There are few students who are getting that, like they are getting the degree in June or in May. and the date is 30th April mentioned over there. Like I've asked for the forms as well for the students, but hardly 200 or 250 students took interest for that extending the date. But anyhow, because of this lockdown, they are not working right now. That is why I'm not able to raise this issue. But tomorrow I'm gonna write a letter to NB to extend the date, and we'll just ask all of you to just send it to the NB. We can just try to extend the date if it is possible, and we will try our level best to do this thing so that most of the students who are
Yeah, I
just getting,
thought, see,
those who are right now getting degree, can appear for the June examination. Yeah.
yeah. So, guys, I think we are concluding it for tomorrow.
HSK4 is asking for that, not giving degree without that. That in
So
China,
HSK4C, right now I think there is an online HSK exam they are conducting. So regarding this thing, it's better if you personally message me on WhatsApp. I will try to help you. Kyrgyzstan का system बहुत clear है. You just study there 5 years and you come back to India and appear for the NEXT exam with the degree. Okay. So I think, guys, I think we are this conversation has to end now. And as we have a common thing that one nation, one exam. Okay. One nation, one NEXT, one nation, one criteria. Okay. And it should be same for everyone. Okay.
Kanan,
Yeah.
भाई किर्गिस्तान का सिस्टम नॉर्मल है, किर्गिस्तान का सिस्टम है जस्ट डिग्री लो और आ जाओ इंडिया में और अपना एग्जाम दो, इंटर्नशिप का सिस्टम नहीं है वहाँ।
It is very clear. No need to worry. No,
किर्गिस्तान में
no.
इंटर्नशिप है
There
नहीं।
is no.
किर्गिस्तान, कजाकिस्तान, रशिया, यूक्रेन, जॉर्जिया, जॉर्जिया just introduced,
Yeah.
Armenia, these universities are not having that.
I am already telling you that in draft there are many controversial points.
We will figure out each and every
Yeah.
controversial point. Don't worry at all.
Yeah.
And you need to forward it to the concerned mind. You need not to do it alone.
Yeah.
आपके सारे क्लासमेट से भी कराना है, आपके सीनियर्स से भी कराना है, जूनियर्स से भी कराना है. You need to send this mail. Whatever content will provide you, you need to forward it yourself. You need to ask your seniors,
You
juniors.
just make 10 different email IDs.
You can
Use your friends.
you need
Use your
minimum-
family
you need
email ID.
minimum 30,000-40,000 emails.
Yeah.
That the ministry and because they've asked us for the suggestion, no? So we
Yeah.
are giving them
I'm
suggestions.
expecting that we will send them more than 1 lakh suggestion, and it will be might come in a Oscar world record, might be some Guinness World Record that there are 1 lakh suggestion for the NMC draft. Okay, so I'm expecting that we will send more than 1 lakh mail. We will hashtag Twitter. We will blast Facebook. We will just go and rock together. Just the one thing which is very important is our unity. Remember and don't stop yourself for raising your voice. कभी भी कुछ गलत होते हुए देखोगे तो चुपचाप मत बैठना बेटा, हमेशा आवाज उठाना, क्योंकि जो इंसान आवाज उठाता है वो इंसान सच्चा होता है, क्योंकि जो इंसान आवाज नहीं उठाता वो डरा हुआ होता है या वो गलत होता है।
I think you are asking that in draft they were asking to give the you should have degree for the next one. यार नेक्स्ट वन जो बच्चे देंगे इंडिया वाले भी ना, उनके पास भी डिग्री नहीं होगी बिकॉज उनकी इंटर्नशिप नहीं हुई होगी. सो देर इज नो सच थिंग. If you are having provisional with you, you will be allowed to do internship. You will be allowed to appear for FMG, and you will be allowed for the NEXT one as well. So don't worry. Okay, suggestions you will get the content. Okay, because we don't want the different kind of a thing. We will get a uniform content. You just need to mail it to the concerned authorities. That is the thing. We will make sure that we will cover each and everything, every point on that, so it will not affect you. But just keep remember one thing: you need to do it by yourself, your senior, your junior, your batchmate, your family person. It doesn't matter. We need more than 1 lakh in like another 1 week or
more than 1 lakh
mail
reply and suggestion has to send to NMC, and we all will do it together. Okay, so
I think all the questions are over. Any other questions? If you have,
if you have
we
any
can take in
questions,
another 2 minutes and
yeah,
we'll just
if you
end the
have any more
conversation.
question,
Can Philippines online internship be skipped getting
Yeah,
provisional certificate? If you are having provisional certificate right now, and look, if you talk about the online internship, they are not giving the internship. If you want to do the internship from Philippines, you need to have degree of 4 years, and then you can go for the internship. That is clerkship right now, which you're doing in your fourth year, na? Yeah, time will not be limited. Don't worry. It will be same for Indian. Anything else?
Guys, we are concluding it. If you have any more question, you are free to ask.
Rules for Russia are same. Don't worry. You need to appear for the next examination most probably. So just be prepared. Okay.
Our contact number is 8750. I am just typing it here so everyone can just use it. 8750 4787. Please WhatsApp only, okay? Yeah. So any more questions? If you have any more question,
Collection from India. Wait. Question was there. Online collection from India. Now we have to do mandatory internship. Yeah, we have to do mandatory
yeah.
internship.
If your clerkship is online, you need to do internship in India, guys. Remember it. And just one thing,
Transfer. If you have taken the transfer, don't worry.
don't worry, don't worry. Transfer
No
is not
issue.
a problem.
No issue.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है बी यूनाइटेड
या 30% का if we'll talk 30% का अभी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से लाइक कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं आया है जो उसके बाद मैंने आई जस्ट फाइल वन आरटीआई सेल सो उसके रिप्लाई के लिए 25 to 30 days लगते हैं. I've called the PMO as well 2-3 times and they've asked me to send the details and I've just again sent the details on 19th and we are just trying it. Yeah, we can try because in this situation also it's a policy change thing. So in that, if the government wants, they can give. So this is the best time, I guess. Like if they are getting 30, 40, 50,000 doctors, so it is the best time.
Yeah.
But it's totally impossible.
Rakesh bhai, I think you just joined now. We will provide you the mail content and the hashtag of Twitter,
Everything will be
Facebook
done.
by
Everything.
tomorrow afternoon.
First of all, we'll start the mail thing. Then we'll provide you the hashtag content for Twitter as well. And that one nation, one examination, or one nation, one next. It will be like this.
Okay.
You can also suggest. You have our WhatsApp number. You can also suggest.
Yeah.
For those who went before next and doesn't have MCA certificate, how will they appear for exam? If you went before next, if you went on 2013, then there is exemption from getting the eligibility certificate. For all other students, you just log into NMC website and you can just apply online.
Yeah. Any more question?
या रेगुलर सेशन में 31 मई तक करते थे. इस बार 30 अप्रैल तक करा है हमने एग्जामिनेशन के लिए and I've already cleared this thing.
Yeah, beta, Sunny, your question is very valid. Why can't we can again force for removing of FMG at this moment? They will not scrap the exam. Yeah, it's not possible. You know, we if even we demand, they will not accept. That is the thing. वो कह रहा है एग्जाम को इसको स्क्रैप करने का.
Examination. We have tried our level best. Those who went before need compulsory. MCA certificate, you need to apply the number. You also need to apply for that eligibility certificate. Repeat number, Arman sir number 8750473973. My number 8878762767. Where we have to email, like I guess like most of the students are asking for the group call like this. Please, you have Telegram group of ours, you have WhatsApp group of ours, you have Facebook that page and Facebook group of ours. We will put all the content over here only. Please kindly join all your batchmates also there because we want maximum population so that we can mail them our suggestions like more than 1 lakh. तो नेक्स्ट में चलेगा पर फिर अरे भाई ध्रुव धवल आई हैव गिवन माय नंबर जस्ट व्हाट्सएप में आई विल जस्ट सेंड इट टू यू डोंट वरी. Sir, for MFPP 30, I already told that we have never give up this thing. Last month, the Honorable Member of Parliament have raised this issue first time for the foreign medical graduate. Issue was raised in Lok Sabha. And after that, on 15th, we've written the letter to the PMO and ministers to give a one-time exemption to all the in this pandemic situation. So we are still trying. Okay. So let the things, if something will happen good, we'll just come forward and let you know. By the time, just keep preparing for the examination and don't think that it will get postponed. भाई WhatsApp कर दो, सारे ग्रुप लिंक शेयर कर देंगे, don't worry. And on in our messages or in our Facebook only you can find the links. हाँ यार, ये जो डॉक्टर लवीश लाइक 31 मई तक रहता था, इस बार 30 अप्रैल तक दिया है. मैंने मैसेज भी किया था. I've given the option to the student to please at least fill the form so that we should have the 1500 to 2000 student, and we can give it to NB that okay, 2000 students are just affecting by your decision, but hardly 250 students have just filled the form. So the basic problem with the FMG is that they don't, like, few of the people, they just want everything automatically. They don't want to work for it. Okay, so you need to fight for your things. If the students want to give the examination, you need to fight, you need to come forward. We need to show the numbers to the NB, that these number of students are affected and they want to give the examination. But still, don't worry, because it was a lockdown, the lockdown will continue, and the offices were closed like last week. I'll just see that if the office will open, then we'll just send the letter before the 10th of May, and we'll try to extend the date for such people who want to give the examination right now. Yeah, for we have to mail. Yeah, we've told that we will send all the information on our Facebook group, on our Telegram groups, on WhatsApp group. You will get all the details. Don't worry. And if new students have joined right now from any other college, if you are not joined with us on the WhatsApp or like this, you can make a WhatsApp group of your college students, and you can add me and Dr. Aman in that. Provisional, yeah, you can try. Like for the Philippine students, if you are doing the clerkship or like this, if you have completed clerk, if the clerkship is going on, you can ask for the provisional. Few students have asked and they got the provisional, and they've got it attested from the embassy also. So you can try with that provisional letter. You can try to give the examination. Few students have already applied for that, and they got it, and they've got it apostille as well from the embassy. Internship में पैसे 85% से
Yeah, right, बिल्कुल ये points
definitely.
I just read your message on WhatsApp also.
State PG quota,
Definitely.
we have already raised this issue in, I guess, in January.
Yeah.
With January, we've raised both the issue for granting the intern for giving the stipend in internship, and for the
And I think it is
PG quota.
now I think it should be given, because in the Indian like the foreign medical graduates who are doing internship, they are posted in COVID wards, and they are just fighting like a COVID warriors, like the Indian medical graduates. So definitely we will again raise this issue of providing the stipend to foreign medical graduates while they are doing internship, and this state quota. I think once the NEXT will come, many things will change, and we will definitely look and try to change the things which are in our hand. But the most important thing, guys, is our unity. I'm telling this from the very first day. You know what is the main issue? लोग इकट्ठा नहीं होना चाहते, लोगों को रिजल्ट चाहिए, बट लोग साथ में आके खड़े नहीं होना चाहते, लोग डरते हैं, लोग कहते हैं नहीं सर आप आवाज मत उठाओ, आप आवाज उठाओगे तो ये होगा नहीं बेटा, जो होना है वो होगा, और वो तुम्हारी एफर्ट से होगा. If you raise the voice, you will lead the world and you will change the things according to you. And we are not here for any benefit. We are here for the welfare of lakhs and lakhs of foreign medical doctors. And मुझे कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आवाज उठाने में. I will always raise your voice, and we will always raise our voice stronger and stronger. Okay. So more power to us and more power to you. All of you. And all the parents from all over India, सभी माता पिता, मैं आप सबको नमस्कार करता हूँ. आप सब अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, बिकॉज इट इज कोविड सेकेंड वेव, इट इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. So please, all the parents, please take care of yourself, and all my doctors, all my younger brothers and sisters, please take care of yourself, study well, and God bless you all. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, and stay healthy and safe.
We will keep fighting for the rights, and we will win it together. So bye bye, take care, and very good night, and keep a very good care of you in this COVID situation. Take care. Bye bye.